Anin Buju, band members, today is Wednesday, January 6th, and would like to start off with the COVID updates for the county. In Aiken County yesterday, 1,035, today 1,039. Crow Wing yesterday, 4,603, today 4,618. Mille Lacs County yesterday, 2,069, today 2,083. In Pine County yesterday, 2,548, today 2,559. And for the reservation, the numbers are basically the same from yesterday, so no new cases. District 1 and District 2A, yesterday was 99 and there is no change today. District 2, there were 10 yesterday, no change today. District 3, it was 35 and no change. So again, if you look at the county, the numbers are really jumping and they haven't slowed down. So as a reminder to please wear your mask, social distance, stay home if you're not feeling good, and making sure you wash your hands on a regular basis. So next week is the Elder Food Distribution. So and that's Wednesday, January 13th, District 1 and District 2A. It's at the Grand Casino Mille Lacs Southside Event Center. And that is from 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. In District 3, the Grand Northern Inn from 12:30 to 3:30. And then on Thursday, January 14th, the Urban Office, 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. So please put that on your calendars. Today, during the band assembly meeting, there were a couple of band members that were sworn in and they did their oath for their offices, and would like to say congratulations to Joseph Nakwanabe Jr. He was sworn in today to serve a 4-year term as the Commissioner of Corporate Affairs. Also, Darla Roach was sworn in and took the oath for the Housing Advisory Board. Congratulations, Darla. And for the Tarot Board of Directors, would like to say congratulations to Krista Klug. She did her oath today to be a new member of the Tarot Board, and that's the Tribal Employment Rights Board. And also Valerie Harrington was sworn in for the Tarot Board as well. I want to say congratulations again to all for that and for your commitment and wanting to work on behalf of the band. We really appreciate that. I talked a little bit yesterday about the Enterprise Academy, and that's if you are interested in learning how to create your own business plan, if you have ideas about what business would work here on the reservation. And the Corporate Commission is in partnership with the Initiative Foundation. And if you're interested, please apply through Dustin Goslin, and that's D. Goslin, DGOSLIN at mlcv.com. And that class starts at the end of February. So please get a hold of Dustin if you're interested. And I think that's gonna be a pretty interesting class, and actually to learn a lot about how to run a business, what it entails to have a business plan and follow that. And it's part of economic development, business development on the reservation. So I look forward to finding out who is interested in which plans are created for a small business. And we received a letter from the governor with a personal thank you for the work that we did of addressing the food needs for our community. So that was nice, and I appreciate that as well. If you are interested and would like to have information regarding activities of the Natural Resources Department, please get on the DNR Facebook page, and they provide information and they talk about just a variety of things of walleyes and other fish and things that are happening. So please take the time to visit that Facebook page for the DNR. Today, the governor will be having a discussion regarding an executive order. And this has to do with the restaurants in the state of Minnesota. And they will be opening up again, but he will talk about what that means. And so I'm interested into finding out about that. And as we know, a lot of the executive orders do not include the reservations here in the state of Minnesota. And I know the governor leaves that up to each of the governing bodies of the different reservations to determine how they will run their businesses on the reservation. So I do appreciate that, but I am interested in his discussion today. And so I will be reviewing that as well. And if you have time, please watch the governor and hear what he has to say as well. With that, have a good day today, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.